Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play old GTA Online. To begin your journey, first create your character, customizing their look and initial attributes. Then, complete the introductory missions, which will teach you essential controls like driving, shooting, and interacting with the environment. These early steps are crucial for understanding the game's vast world and preparing you for the hundreds of activities available. Get ready to explore the expansive map and dive into the action. Earning money and reputation points, or RP, is fundamental to your progression. You can complete a wide variety of missions offered by contacts like Lamar Davis or Gerald, which typically reward thousands of dollars and significant RP. Engaging in competitive modes, such as races and deathmatches, also provides good payouts. For quick cash, consider selling a stolen vehicle to Los Santos Customs once every 48 minutes. As you accumulate wealth, invest in properties and businesses to generate passive income. Personalization is a huge part of the experience. You can extensively customize your character's clothing, tattoos, and hairstyles at various shops across Los Santos. Your vehicles can also be upgraded and modified at Los Santos Customs, enhancing performance and aesthetics. Beyond missions, participate in dynamic free roam events that pop up regularly, offering unique challenges and rewards. Joining a crew with friends or other players enhances the social aspect and provides bonus RP for playing together. Social interaction is a cornerstone of the game. You can meet and interact with thousands of other players in the shared open world, forming alliances or engaging in friendly rivalries. Joining or creating a crew allows for seamless cooperative play and access to exclusive crew activities. As you gain RP and level up, you will unlock new weapons, vehicles, and missions, continually expanding your gameplay options. The world of Los Santos is always active, with community events and new content keeping the experience fresh.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.